How to turn off sleep hours on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable the sleep reminder and notification settings inside the app. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy to open the Settings page. In the next step, look for Time and Wellbeing and tap on it. Following this, tap on Screen Time to open the Screen Time settings. Once done, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sleep Hours. From here, you'll be able to see your current sleep hours schedule and whether it's turned on or off. At this stage, keep in mind that when sleep hours is enabled, push notifications will be muted during those hours, and you'll also receive reminders about your sleep schedule. After this, tap the toggle to turn it off, and a pop up will appear giving you two options: turn off today or turn off completely. Finally, tap on Turn Off Completely to fully disable the sleep hours feature, and it will be switched off right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off sleep hours on TikTok on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.